Hey guys, my name is Katie Wilkinson and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today guys, I was hoping to create a small little GIF. Now as you can see, I'm just sketching a little teacup, just trying to come up with some ideas, have some fun, as you can see. Just trying to get the correct proportions. It's a very big handle. Anyway, as you can tell, I can probably just change that quickly. Yeah. So the software I'm using currently on my iPad Pro is Procreate. It's a really great tool. I've been using it in the past and I'll be doing a lot of illustrations and just tutorials on Procreate. It's one of my favourite apps, drawing apps, and yeah. So without further ado, I'll keep sketching and talk to you guys later. Now guys, when you're trying to create a GIF on Procreate, just try and think of different stickers or items and different illustrations you could include. Part of this I've just jotted down a couple of words like mail time and different things that have influenced me over the few years, and just, yeah, different ideas like that. So definitely feel free to write down and also scribble anything that comes to mind. You know, anything in particular, like subscribe. I was thinking of when I was filming this, and yeah, just different ideas like that. So go ahead and have some fun. Now, as you can see, guys, I've just sketched this cute little coffee mug. Just, yeah, a nice simple design, which I'm really enjoying. And I did have the idea of using this as my main little logo design. Now, as you can see, guys, I've just adjusted this coffee mug and placed it into a new sheet using the same background color, of course. But as I'm designing this new coffee mug, I'm trying to come up with ideas, whether I want a circle around it, just thinking of how it's going to sit on the screen itself, and just what basically looks most appealing at the end of the day. And yeah, it's just something short and sweet. And yeah, so now the next step, guys, is after repositioning the coffee mug and the circle around, is to add some text or a little bit of calligraphy around the edge. My overall idea was to have the writing running around the circle, and just, yeah, playing with words and different ideas at the same time. So just take your own pace and figure out what you would like in the design. You can always do a rough sketch, as I've done in the past, and also just had a go at looking at what I do want and what I don't want. As you can see, I just hid that layering text, as I was hoping to change to just a simple font, as you can see. So I did decide to go with Georgia and then bold italic as well, so it gives that extra strength to the font sizes. So yeah, and then I just had some fun readjusting that. So Now guys, my favourite part about making a GIF and a sticker on Procreate is applying the little animation sequence. As you can tell, you can see that I'm trying to copy the layers and also draw in white, just create this little starry effect, which is really nice, especially if you layer it up gradually and also change the sizes of the stars. It just creates that movement flowing and just a really nice appeal, especially if you want to create a short simple animation, which I had a lot of fun creating. Now, as you guys can see, I've tried to add the coffee mug and the circle together, as well as merging them down gradually. I wanted to create this overlay of the pages just in the correct order. As you can tell, I'm just adjusting that slowly and also merging the animation of the stars together as well gradually, and yeah, it just creates this really lovely effect. Now, once you guys have all the animation sequences correct and you're just enjoying how it's looking, yep, this short little animation only goes for a second, but it's quite good. I could have made it go longer, but I was able to add that in at the end in iMovie, and also you could always copy and paste different pages together, but yeah, this is how I've created this short little animated GIF. And of course, don't forget to save the GIF to your camera roll, and it should be ready to upload on Facebook, Instagram, you name it, or even on the GIF sticker app location. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below, are you guys using Procreate? What other videos have you enjoyed on YouTube? Different iPad videos. I'm definitely looking forward to creating more in the future. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.